Okay, start the video. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, Chuck.
What is wrong with you? Yo, person.
It's me, Mario.
Ow! Sorry.
Hi. There's a lot of beating.
Oh my God.
What are you guys doing?
Who is this?
Oh, that's my friend.
Oh,
Bobby.
yo, Yoshi.
Hey, this is my voice, Yoshi will.
Okay. So, before we start this video, guys, subscribe, comment, and leave a like.
This
okay?
is a subscriber. Okay.
Our goal is
Join
5
me.
likes and at least 1 new subscriber.
Wait, no. Our goal is 1 billion likes.
No, that's too much. 5 likes, guys. 5 likes. At least 1 comment. We want a comment. A good one. Not one of those bad ones like on Ronald's videos. Like, OMG for life, that guy sucks. He sucks at Fortnite. Oh. I like those, okay?
Yeah, so
I'm not doing that, Ronald. You know.
Before we do anything else, we want to say that the plush actors are Drew, the main person. Hey.
Okay.
Will, Drew's brother.
You know who I am.
And Brendan, who's
The guest YouTuber. Okay, guys.
Okay, start the video.
Okay. First we have Chuck. Guys, get out of here. Chuck. Ew, I do. Ew.
Chuck, what are you doing?
Ew, what are you doing? Okay, Chuck. He is from Angry Birds, as you most likely know.
Hi guys, I'm Luigi.
Chuck, we know you're from Angry Birds.
I know.
Oh, hi, brother.
No, these guys are just here because they're here. Okay.
Hey, brother.
Okay, you'll
Brother!
come in the scene, so you talk for you.
So, you know, his power is to go. Ready? Ready? Now you see me? Okay. No, you don't.
Chuck, what are you doing?
I have no idea what I'm doing. I seriously have no idea.
Me either. And I have mustache power. See?
Ow! What the heck
Okay,
is that for?
Well,
My head's falling off.
I know this has been a short video, but it's a, don't mind that much. Please just don't mind that much. That is it for Chuckity Chuck. So say goodbye. Peck.